Greetings dear friends, welcome to the Builders Club channel. Today's video is a little different because I will be reviewing a new tool, but before I do the review, I'll show you what's happening in my workshop. Take a look at what happened to the facade. All this happened because I didn't install the gutter system in time, and that's how drops fall from the roof and dirt gets on the facade. Of course, I already cried a little because of this. There's hope that it will all wash off, but we'll see later. I've prepared everything for installing the gate. I installed these screed guides here. I'll need to pour the screed so that the gate fits tightly right here like this. Well, here I've already plastered the reveals using this fiberglass mesh and white cement-based adhesive. And I also need to putty it with cement putty. And I've also done the top reveal. And here, today we'll be working on this, pouring the screed, finishing the reveals. But before that, let's review the laser engraver that I'll be using to put logos on the items I'll be making here in this workshop. Make yourself comfortable and let's get started. Alright, well, let's start assembling. Alright.
Whatever you brought there, that's all. So that's everything.
First step. Assembly stage. That's right. Take this piece. This should go like this.
Well, did you lose something here? There was something.
We need bolts and screws.
Well, here are the screws.
Dad, do you need these?
And the glasses too.
Dad, look.
Yeah. Well, here you go. That's done. Now we need to put the rod in place. Here it is, the rod. There. Here's the bar. Yes, yes. Yes, like that. Here. Turns out there's nothing difficult about it.
So, can they be broken?
I thought it would be difficult.
Wait, hold on. We need to do it from that side too. This will be an engraver. This is gonna be a cool thing. Here's the power button. I'll turn it on now. Okay, the button. Liza, do you really have to press the button?
Papa.
How beautiful.
Can I have that one over there? Can I have that one over there?
Alright, that's it. What's next on our agenda?
How nice.
Papa.
We likely need to connect the wires according to the plan. Do you hear that? What is that sound?
Alright, next.
Yes?
Well, this is a backing mat as I understand it.
Here, the hem. How beautiful.
So, well, shall we start? Run away.
Let's go.
It started, right, Dad? Here.
We finally figured it out. Well, actually, it's not that hard. Everything goes together like a construction set. It's intuitive, but of course you need to read the instructions. Without the instructions, you might assemble something incorrectly. Connect. Now, is that all?
Yes.
Start.
Will it be better there? Alright.
Start over, okay?
But Dad, let's move him somewhere else instead.
There, that's it. Let's go. Oh, how interesting. You can already see something over there. Beautiful. That's it. Alright, that's it. Let's watch.
Whoa! Is everything black?
Come on, step away from the light. Well, that's how the Builders Club logo turned out. Well, that's it, dear friends. Get ready. Soon our workshop will be running at full capacity. We'll be making something very interesting for you with these kinds of logos. But this is not the final result yet. We'll keep trying different options. Alright. Well, now this really looks like the director of the Builders Club channel. Well, these are some clamps. So basically, I assembled the engraver at home, learned how to use it, and brought it to the village to test it out, to see how it would make a large photo on the whole board. While the engraver is making my passport photo on the board, I'll be pouring the screed and taking care of other things. Well, beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. It's as smooth as a mirror. Alright, the rubber seal will go right here. It'll fit snugly. That's it. It'll be really warm in the workshop. I poured a strip of screed. I'll continue pouring the screed once the doors are installed, because it's too cold to work there right now. Well, while the laser engraver is engraving the photo from my passport, I can take apart the trampoline in the meantime. We need to get ready for winter because it's already starting to freeze. And we need to take apart the pool as well. It's freezing. I'm leaving the pool for now because it's convenient for me. I mix mortar here and get water from it. But in any case, it needs to be removed already, because if the water freezes, it will tear. It's already... a thin layer of ice has formed. Alright, let's start by taking apart the trampoline. do I look like the CEO of the Builders Club? It's already dark outside. I'll get ready to go home. The screed turned out really well. Here's how the passport photo turned out. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Don't forget to leave a like, write a comment. I always read all the comments, and as always I wish you happiness and health. Good luck to everyone and goodbye.